In the ever-evolving landscape of online content creation, YouTube continues to be a powerhouse platform for individuals seeking to share their creativity and expertise with a global audience. As of 2024, the potential to make money on YouTube has expanded, offering new opportunities and challenges. This comprehensive guide aims to walk you through the process of uploading videos and maximizing your revenue on YouTube in the current digital landscape. Create high-quality content. The foundation of success on YouTube is creating compelling and high-quality content. Invest time in planning, scripting, and editing your videos to ensure they are engaging, informative, and visually appealing. Know your target audience and tailor your content to meet their needs and interests. Optimize your videos for search to increase the discoverability of your videos. Leverage YouTube's search algorithms by incorporating relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags. Research trending topics in your niche and stay updated on popular search terms to enhance your video's visibility. Build a strong brand identity. Establishing a recognizable brand identity helps you stand out in the crowded YouTube space. Create a consistent visual style for your thumbnails, channel banner, and logo. Utilize a memorable channel name and consider developing a unique catchphrase or tagline. Engage with your audience. Foster a sense of community by responding to comments, asking for viewer feedback, and encouraging viewers to subscribe and share your content. Engagement plays a crucial role in building a loyal audience, which is essential for long-term success on YouTube. Monetize your channel. As of 2024, YouTube offers various ways to monetize your channel. The YouTube Partner Program, YPP, remains a primary avenue for revenue generation, allowing you to earn money through ads, channel memberships, and super chat during live streams. Ensure your channel meets the eligibility requirements and guidelines set by YouTube. Explore alternative revenue streams. Diversify your income sources by exploring alternative revenue streams. This can include sponsored content, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding through platforms like Patreon. These additional streams can provide stability and flexibility in your earnings. Stay informed about YouTube policies and trends. YouTube's policies and algorithms evolve, impacting content creators. Stay informed about updates, community guidelines, and algorithm changes to adapt your content strategy accordingly. Additionally, keep an eye on emerging trends and incorporate them into your videos to stay relevant. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborations can expose your content to a wider audience and introduce new viewers to your channel. Identify creators in your niche or related fields and explore collaboration opportunities. Cross-promotion can be mutually beneficial and contribute to the growth of both channels. Conclusion: successfully navigating YouTube in 2024 requires a combination of creativity, consistency, and adaptability. By creating high-quality content, optimizing for search, building a strong brand, engaging with your audience, and exploring various monetization avenues, you can unlock the full potential of YouTube as a platform for both expression and income. Stay informed, stay connected, and let your passion shine through your videos as you embark on your journey to YouTube success.